Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here. I'm going to be making slime. So yeah, first thing, I'm going to try it. First thing you need is a bowl, but my bowl's dirty. You guys can get a cleaner bowl. Just using this one for now. I have nothing else to use, right? And then I'm going to show this real fast. A spoon or something to mix it with. If you want, whichever colors, I'm using glitter. Whichever colors you guys want. And I'm doing that. And I'm trying something new actually. So I have my Elmer's glue. And my brother's up here.
Hi.
Yeah. And sorry, I just came back from school and we just saw a Lambo, which is I'm gonna post that after this video.
We're not lying.
Yeah. And then this is fluffy slime, so
You can make
shaving
whatever
cream.
slime you want.
And this is gonna be kind of like weird. I'm gonna try it.
That's okay.
Hairspray. I'm gonna try this, see what happens, and yeah, let's get into the video. So first things first, we pour the glue in.
Sorry.
As much as you guys want. Yeah, my brother's gonna leave. I'm just gonna mess it because this. Okay, just making a little bit of slime. This is gonna be my slime. Sorry, as I said slime. Get your shaving cream. If you want, you can put any color, but I'm just doing this for now. And then I'm gonna put my glitter since I want silver. He'll be right back again. And you can put your shaving cream in. This is the fun part. Oh shoot, mine came out so horribly. Hold on. Whoa! Okay, and then you're gonna mix it after. Mix everything. Bring it nice and fluffy. Sorry for the talking over there.
Disgusting.
That's outside.
Disgusting.
Oh shoot! I forgot. I'm so sorry. Hold on. I forgot the borax and water.
Well, who cares?
So and then you add this. Oh god.
That sounded
Oh
weird.
my god. It looks so wonderful. Oh, this actually looks really cool. It's like, is this like activator or something?
We'll show you at the end. We'll show you at the end.
Oh, what the
We'll show you at the end of the video what it looks
look.
like. What it looks
It's like